instrument is now on. First of all, this is your wavelength disc. Its range is 320 to 1020 nanometers. First of all, select your desired wavelength at which you have to take the readings. Like 350 you have to take. There is a upper line and below the wavelength scale. You have to coincide the above and below line to adjust the wavelength. Like 350 we have to adjust. We have coincide the line and this is 350 is adjusted. After that, this is your sample compartment. This is a 4-position cell holder. First you can input your blank solution, and in second you can input your tested solution. This is 4-position cell holder, and you can adjust like this. This is 1, then 2, 3 and 4. This is 4 position. Adjust on number 1 for the blank and close it. 350 wavelength we have adjusted. There are 4 modes in the model. First one is ABS absorption, T transmission, C concentration and F factor. For ABS, just adjust the wavelength and input your blank solution in number 1 and press this button for 0 adjustment. It will 0 and blanking at the adjusted wavelength. After that, just slide on number 2 and at 350 wavelength, this reading will automatically appear on the display. This is the ABS value. This is how you can take the reading. And same as in the transmittance mode, just with the blank solution on number 1, press this 100% T, same button, 100% transmission will be adjusted, and slide to number 2. The reading will be displayed at the display like this. In the 2 modes, the operations are same. First adjust the wavelength, then do the blanking with your blank solution. Press this button, it will 0, and slide for this testing solution. It will give you the reading. After that, if you want to calculate this C concentration, just go to F mode factor. By this up and down key, you can adjust the factor value. By this factor value input, you can calculate the concentration. After inputting the factor value, you have to just press this PC button. Like this is your F factor value of the solution, and for calculating the concentration, just press this PC button, print. It will automatically go to C concentration mode and gives you the concentration value of the solution. This is it.